Hello friends, welcome to today's video and my YouTube channel Indranil Shares. In this video, I'll show you how to use Adobe Lightroom Mobile to process the photo of a flower. I had taken the photo at a garden using my mobile phone camera. So I'll show you how to use Adobe Lightroom Mobile to turn this photo into this. So let us start the tutorial. And I will show you how to process this photo so that we get this kind of look. So the first step that we take is we open the exposure panel. In the exposure panel, first we increase the contrast. So we increase the contrast up to around 20-21, and then we increase the highlight and decrease the shadows. We also decrease the blacks a lot and increase the whites somewhat, maybe around 15, 16, 17 would be okay. The shadows and blacks must be decreased a lot because, to increase the dark portions of the photo. Then we open the vignette section, vignette panel. We increase the clarity and texture slightly, not much, maybe around 15, 16 or 10 to 15. Then we give it a very hard vignette. We bring in the midpoint and increase the feather, and we can also increase the roundness. Since the flower is has a spherical circular kind of shape, we will increase the roundness, so that most of the background is can be made dark. Then we'll go to the color panel and we'll increase the vibrance but decrease the saturation somewhat. Then opening the hue saturation panel, we will select green color. We will change the hue of the green color to more bluish green tone by increasing it up to 81, and then we will decrease the saturation and as well as the luminance. Since the leaves are all green, this adjustment will mostly affect the leaves, but we can see it is also affecting somewhat the petals, yellow petals. So we'll again open the yellow color and change the yellow hue to orangish. We'll give it an orangish shade. We'll increase the saturation and the luminance somewhat. Okay, we should not increase the luminance too much because that will decrease the details. So we'll keep the luminance around 13. The hue of the yellow color can be given quite an orangish tone, so as to cancel out the greenish tinge that it got due to the green channel adjustment. Then we go to the color grading panel, and there I give the shadows some bluish hue. Okay, and we also decrease the luminance of the shadows. Then in the midtones we give it a more bluish tone. We again decrease the luminance somewhat in the midtones. The shadows are already quite dark now. In the highlights we give it a more orangish tone and increase the luminance slightly. So for the highlights, the hue will be 23, saturation 36, luminance around +5. For the midtones, hue 251, saturation 21, luminance -10, and for the shadows, hue 247, saturation 48, and luminance -54. So that's all with the color grading panel. We'll again go to the color panel and decrease the saturation furthermore. I think now we have got the final look, and this was the original, and after processing with Adobe Lightroom Mobile we have got this look. So friends, please let me know how you like my video, and you can also check out my other videos. I have a lot of other videos about wildlife and some processing videos in Hindi also. So if you like this video and if you like the other videos of my channel, you can also subscribe to my channel, and you can also press the bell icon so that you'll be able to get notifications whenever I upload a video. So that was all about today's video, and thank you very much for watching this video up to the end. Thanks a lot. Please keep coming.